Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Canon Rebel T7 is probably one of the most versatile cameras for both beginners and enthusiasts. Choosing the right lens can significantly elevate your photography, unlocking new creative possibilities and enhancing image quality. In this video, we'll explore some top lens options tailored for the Canon Rebel T7, helping you capture stunning photos and videos. Number 5. Canon EOS Rebel T7 DSLR camera with 2-lens kit. Introducing the Canon EOS Rebel T7. This camera is designed to help you capture stunning photos and videos. It's perfect for both beginners and experienced photographers. Featuring a 24.1 megapixel CMOS (APS-C) sensor, it delivers exceptional image quality. You'll be able to capture incredible detail in every shot, even in challenging lighting conditions. The camera boasts an improved dual-pixel CMOS AF and eye detection AF. This ensures that the subject is always in sharp focus. It also has a 9-point AF system and AI servo AF. Share your photos and videos instantly with built-in Wi-Fi and NFC technology. You can easily connect to your smartphone or tablet and share your creations with the world. It also supports the EOS Utility Webcam Beta software. Record full HD 1080p videos with ease. The camera allows you to capture high-quality videos for your memories. It's a versatile tool for both photography and videography. The optical viewfinder provides approximately 95% viewing coverage. This allows you to frame your shots accurately and see exactly what you're capturing. It gives you a clear view of your subject. What we like. This camera boasts a 24.1 MP sensor, ensuring crisp, detailed images. It also has built-in Wi-Fi, making sharing photos a breeze. If you're a beginner looking for a user-friendly camera with great image quality and easy sharing capabilities, this is a great choice. What people say. Image quality is excellent in various lighting conditions, and the included kit lens is versatile enough for portraits, landscapes, and everyday shots. It also has built-in Wi-Fi, which makes transferring photos to a phone or computer quick and convenient. The 24.1 MP sensor delivers crisp and vibrant photos, especially in good lighting. I've taken some fantastic landscape and portrait shots. Number 4. Sigma 150-600mm Contemporary DG/OS HSM lens for Canon. This is the Sigma 150-600mm Contemporary DG/OS HSM lens for Canon. It's designed to capture stunning images with its versatile focal length. This lens is perfect for a variety of shooting situations. The lens features a lightweight and compact design. This makes it highly usable and easy to carry around. You'll appreciate the convenience it offers during long shoots. The front glass element has a water and oil repellent coating. This helps to keep the lens surface clean. Maintenance is easier, ensuring your lens stays in top condition. It has a 95mm filter size. This allows you to use a wide range of filters to enhance your photos. You can easily add creative effects to your images. With a focal length of 150-600mm, it offers incredible versatility. The minimum focusing distance is 280 cm, or 110.2 inches. It allows you to capture both distant and close-up shots with ease. What we like. This lens offers an impressive 150-600mm focal range, perfect for capturing distant subjects. The water and oil repellent coating keeps the lens clean and clear. If you are into wildlife or sports photography and need a versatile lens that can handle various conditions, consider this one. What people say. The AF feature is fairly decent, getting a nice clear focus within the 100-400mm focal length, in my experience. Beyond 400mm, the focus is less accurate, but the option for manual override helps in those instances. The AF feature is also on the slow side, so getting yourself acquainted with the manual focus may be helpful for capturing flighty birds or other fast-moving objects. The optical stabilization feature also works great, allowing for smooth viewing even in high-movement shots. There are two options, full stabilization or isolated horizontal-vertical stabilization for tripod viewing. This lens is incredible for the price. I originally bought the 100-400mm Sigma, which I understand is pretty much the same as this lens other than size reach, and that lens was really good, but I think this one is a bit sharper. Number 3. 500mm 1000mm f8 telephoto lens for Canon. This high-power telephoto lens is designed for Canon DSLR cameras. It uses multi-coated optical glass to ensure you get clear and sharp photos every time. The lens is compatible with EF mount, making it easy to attach to your DSLR. This feature helps to maximize the integration between the camera and lens, resulting in superior picture quality. With the 2x teleconverter, this lens doubles its power to an impressive 1000mm. It brings your subjects closer, whether you're shooting wildlife, landscapes, or the stars. Take full control of your shots with manual focus and aperture. This gives you the creative freedom to capture images exactly as you envision them, offering unparalleled versatility. Built to endure outdoor shooting, this lens features a robust black finish and durable construction. It's a reliable companion for all your photographic adventures. What we like. This lens gives you incredible reach with its 500mm or 1000mm focal length, ideal for capturing distant subjects. It's compatible with EF mount, ensuring a secure fit on your camera. If you like to capture wildlife or distant landscapes and enjoy having full control over your settings, this lens is for you. What people say. It focuses past infinity. Even just comparing the Canon against this Vivitar, the Vivitar's sharpness was much better. It is heavy and should probably be used with a stand for stability. The clarity is nice and I couldn't believe what I was able to capture in the distance. Number 2. Altura Photo 58mm Fisheye lens for Canon and Nikon. Introducing the Altura Photo 58mm Fisheye lens. This lens instantly broadens your perspective, perfect for capturing stunning fisheye shots. It's easy to attach and ready to transform your photography. Experience the unique fisheye effect. It creates a wide, distorted view, adding a creative touch to your photos. This lens is designed to make your images stand out. It also features a detachable macro lens. This allows you to capture incredibly detailed close-up shots of small objects. It's like having two lenses in one. This lens is compatible with many popular 58mm lens models. It works with a variety of Canon and Nikon lenses. Be sure to check your lens thread size before ordering. It is designed for use with many Canon EOS Rebel and other DSLR cameras. This lens is a great addition to your camera gear. Get ready to explore new photographic possibilities. Before purchasing, please verify your camera's lens thread size. The size is marked on your lens barrel. This ensures the perfect fit for your camera. What we like. This lens provides a unique fisheye perspective, adding a creative touch to your photos. It also includes a macro portion for detailed close-ups. If you are looking to experiment with creative photography and capture unique perspectives, this lens is perfect for you. What people say. It takes the 18 to 55mm kit lens from my daughter's Canon T3i, which is equivalent to a 27mm film lens, and makes it basically a 10mm lens, ideal for any occasion where a wider angle lens is needed. When I turned the LCD viewfinder on, I almost couldn't believe it. It's not quite 180 degrees, but if you stand in the doorway of a small bedroom, let's say, you'll absolutely have every part of the room showing in your lens. It also captures much more of the floor to ceiling, so it expands things both horizontally and vertically. Number 1. Lightdow 85mm f1.8 portrait lens for Canon. This lens is fully manual and does not have autofocus. You'll need to switch your camera to manual mode after installing it. If you still encounter issues, enable the release shutter without lens option in your camera's menu. Designed for photographers seeking precision, this 85mm f1.8 lens requires manual adjustments. This process enhances your skills and unlocks creative potential, allowing you to explore new photographic possibilities. The lens features 6 rounded aperture blades and a smooth focus ring for fast and quiet focusing. Hybrid aspherical and multi-coating technologies reduce aberrations, delivering clear images with a dreamy background blur. Every shot will be filled with artistic atmosphere. This lens is compatible with a wide range of Canon EOS DSLR cameras. It works with many Rebel, Digital Rebel, and EOS series cameras, ensuring broad usability. We offer comprehensive after-sales service, including maintenance and replacement during the warranty period. If you have any questions, please contact us. We will provide friendly service within 24 hours. What we like. This lens is designed for manual focus, giving you precise control over your shots. It also offers a beautiful bokeh effect, creating stunning portraits. If you are a photographer who enjoys creative control and wants to achieve beautiful portraits with a dreamy background, you should consider it. What people say. The lens is a great upgrade from the kit lens. The image quality is fantastic. It is a great lens for portraits and other types of photography. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.